In this video, we're going to be adding a base map to our map, so it's not very much of a video. So you already are acquainted with the add data, so we're going to click on the drop down here and then click on add base map, and this window is going to pop up. From here you can choose whatever base map you want. So I'm taking National Geographic. Click on add. It may take a while, so we're going to wait a bit. Okay. Alright, it's there. For some reason, there we go. It took a bit of a while now. Now we have the base map here, and as you can see, we have our files here. If I uncheck it, you'll see the files as, there we go. There we go, zoomed in here. There's Pakistan, here's India, here's Bangladesh. Now here you go, it's India, there's Bangladesh, there's Pakistan. Now if I turn it on, there we go, we have our map here. Now a thing that I have forgotten to do is to add the labels. So we're going to label the features. Now the problem is the labels aren't big enough, so we're going to add the labels here. Let's go about, say, let's do a 16, and the color is going to be black, and make it bold. Apply, okay. And here we have the labels as well. Now we move to our layout view, and here we go, we have our layout view here. Let me zoom out a bit. There we go, we have our layout view here. We have our legends that we had made previously, we have those here as well. Now I'm just going to adjust it. There you go, we have adjusted our map with the base map. Now the reason I do not work with the base map is because of my internet connection. So if you have a better internet connection, you can work with it. The internet connection is mainly the reason here for being slow. Now we have the Indo title here, and we have Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. We have the legends as well, but because the base map contains text itself, and the text we have given are not very much visible like that, so what you can do is you can change the base map to another base map that is more preferable, or that is more useful to you, like the light gray canvas. You can use that. Or you can take the imagery, or we cannot use that. We can use the topographic maybe. So let's take in the light gray and see what happens. Now it's going to take some time as well. I didn't expect this video to be this long, but what can I do? I'm sorry about it. Let me just pause it and restart when it comes. Alright, it's here. So we are turning off the National Geographic World Map. We are keeping whatever's left. And this is taking more time. Let me just pause the video here again, and I will continue the video when it appears. There's no use in a longer video that doesn't show you anything. Here we go. So it is here now with the base map as well. So we have the legend here, name and other stuff. We have India, Pakistan, Bangladesh here representing the colors. The area representing the colors and the populations within the base map. Here we have our north arrow, we have our scale as well. Now this time we can understand it a bit better than before. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an export map. Here we go. Let's call it base mapu. Save it. Again, this may take a while. Now I think it's done. There we have our maps, base mapu. Here we go. Here we go. We have our map with the base map behind it. So that is how you can make map with base maps. Oh, that was it. I hope you got to learn something new, and thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.